Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a new tutorial in Among Us. So in the last video I made a tutorial on how to complete all the tasks in the Skeld. Today, as you can see, the next map I'm going to do is MIRAHQ or MIRAHQ. I don't know how to pronounce this. So I guess let's start. So roll the intro. So as you can see, I'm in the map, and here is the laptop. I have to open it to enable all the tasks. So let's just do that. Oh wait. Okay, cafeteria, communications, greenhouse, hallway, launchpad, Ned Bay, office, reactor. Storage is enabled, and this is to be an imposter, but I don't want that. Okay, so as you can see, the map is crazy, or this tasks thing list is crazy, and the map, as you can see. So I guess let's start in the balcony. Okay, so the first thing, this is the asteroids task. So I showed you this in the last map. So I just finish it. Okay. So second of all, in the same spot in balcony, we have this task. So you're gonna go to the task and press use. Then you're gonna see this. Some people is like, which button do I press here? But to complete this task, you're just gonna go here and press begin. You're gonna wait for this timer and these lines to finish, and that's complete. So we are done today, or not? We are done with the balcony. Let's now go to wait, do I have here? Yeah, okay. So here, this is still in cafeteria. We have the wires task. This is just a wire task. Just connect all the colors to each other. We have storage. We have only this task in storage. We'll not press use. And as you can see, we have this like water can. So we're gonna press use and look for the water can and just press it. Okay, and that's complete. Let's now go up here in the cafeteria. First, we have this trash task. This is easy. Showed you in the last video. And here we have a vending machine. So like there's a drawing of one of these drinks. So you're gonna look for this drawing. So like this is like yellow, and it's like this one. So as you can see, it's like A2. Of course, you used a real vending machine before. So you're gonna press A2 and this green check mark, and that's complete. Because sometimes, sometimes people, including me, after this game got released and popular, well, not released, it was released like years ago. After it was popular, some people like just go to the task. Wait, I'm just gonna enable again, which is cafeteria. So I'm just gonna complete this. I don't know why I did it. Now, so some people like just go to the vending machine and just so we have to vend, take all these. So B4, let's do B4. Task is not complete because we need the Mountain Dew. Is Don't Do, I don't know why it's called that. We have this one, B2. Okay, let's do that, B2. But you just have to do the drawing one, which is A1, the Mountain Dew. Don't Do, okay, I guess I'm gonna call it that. And that's complete. So let's now go up here, and let's go down again. Okay, so we don't have task here. This is not a task. This is like security cameras, but not, we have the launchpad. Let's go to launchpad, which is spawned, by the way, in an online game. So let's go here. This is a fuel task. So just gonna press and hold this button, white button. Now we have this task. I don't know the names in this map or the other which is Paulus. I know only the scale because this is like the default map. So in this task, you're just gonna go to the task, press use, and press this space bar, which is lighting red, and you're gonna wait for this timer to go down. This task is like what is it called? Yeah, this the one in the Skeld, which is Ned Bay. You know it? Yeah, you know it. Okay, let's now go to, I don't know how to pronounce decontamination. Okay, so let's now go to reactor. This is a start reactor task. I think you know it. Okay, just gonna you have to do what it says in here. Boom. Okay, last one. Okay, this. So this is in this held, by the way. Oh, we have another one. Oh yeah, we're gonna do it like multiple times. Comes and what is this? I don't know. Lab. I can see. Mid Bay. Office. Okay. This is the number task. Just gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go up here again and just do this. This is in the last video. So this is, you're gonna find like gems or gems, I don't know how they call it. So you're gonna like put these rocks together. So of course the first one is the tip, the bottom tip, so we're gonna put it in here. The second, as you can see, which is this one, it's like the same shape, it's like a puzzle, you know. And we have this one, this one, this one. We're gonna go here. We have this task. I'm just gonna tell you what to put this purple thing in here, which is like diamonds or like treasure. I don't know. And you're gonna put these, which have leaves on them, like this one. You're gonna put them here, and this bone here. Okay. So let's now go down. Okay. Wait, what? Let's now go to Launchpad again. Oh, let's just complete this task in Mid Bay. And this is the submit scan. Let's just finish it. And done. By the way, do you like my combo? I like this skin with the pet and the headphones and orange and everything. Yeah, for me it's like good. Let's now complete this. Let's see if the timer is over. So when the timer is over, I'm gonna find 1 or 2 like circles which are red. So we have only one, so we're gonna press it and that task is complete. Let's now go back. We have in communications. Let's complete it. It's just easy. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Now let's complete this one, which is here. Done. So now we are done with the bottom part. Now we have this mess up here. Oh wait, that's actually a mess. Okay. Let's now go up here, finish this task. And yeah, as you can see, we have this upload task. I don't know what to upload. We didn't download anything, but yeah. So in this upload task, this is like, it looks better, way better than the one in Skeld. it goes in a tree and from folder to folder. It looks cool. So now we're done in Office. Let's now go to Admin. Finish this, which is easy. Finish this. Just gonna take this card. You're gonna write the code 01422. We have this task, which is easy. I think everybody knows it from the last video. If you didn't watch it, this is easy, I guess. We have this one. Just gonna do wires. By the way, I did the update. If you didn't know. In this task, we're just gonna open the task and just press every plant. Okay, and we have here. This is just gonna do that. We have this leaves task. It's the same in the skilled. Just gonna take these leaves in this open thing, and the last task, which is wires in reactor. Okay, let's just open this. Okay. And task is, and video is, oh, not video. Tasks are complete. So thanks for watching. Please go down below, subscribe to my channel, like more videos, and just comment down below what video ideas you want to see. And yeah, peace.